M-E-L-I-N-I-N. I'm talking melanin. I want that chocolate fix like I'm snacking on some M&M's. I like the way you curve, like your body's from the ancients. Put my fingers through your hurt, shake your curves, cause you amazing. You a black queen, cause I see you chase your dreams. They try to hold you down, but his hands about your means.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow I'm getting my hair done in two braids, 2 feed-in braids. So of course the hairdresser asked for me to come with my hair blown out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I haven't blow dried my hair since I gave myself a little haircut back in the day, about 2 months ago or so. So that should be pretty interesting. I'm gonna speed past this part a little bit, but I am gonna be using the Miche leave-in conditioner, and also I just bought the shea butter from Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. So I'm just gonna go and rush and do that. It is 12:30 in the morning, but y'all know how I do, so let's just get on into that. Alright y'all, so my hair is fully blow dried. It's also 1:45 in the morning, whatever. So yeah, I just want to say, if you're looking for a feed-in braid tutorial, this is not it. If you didn't catch that already, this is not it. So I just want to preface that real quick. Not trying to clickbait anyone or make them think I'm about to teach you how to do a feed-in braid. I'm not doing it on myself. I'm going to a hairstylist and I'm bringing you guys with me. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the morning.
I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. City that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city that dreams for two, and if you lose yourself, I will find you. I'll run away with your footsteps. I'll build a city
the hairdresser, I actually got back a really long time ago. I didn't get to finish, like, I didn't get to record the final look because my camera died, so we just, you know, we had to do what we had to do. But she, like, you know, she really went in with the edges. It's definitely different than what I would normally do for my edges. I didn't even know my edges were capable of doing such, you know, like doing the wave, but it's doing its thing, and I think it's really cute. I hope that I got some good angles. It was really hard to keep stopping her to move the camera, so if it's if it's not the best angle, I truly apologize, because it's really hard when you're like a one-man band and like you don't have someone to like move the camera, move it down, or get closer and stuff like that. So I just had me and my tripod. So I hope it was good enough for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will link her information down on Instagram, and if you have me on Instagram, you should add me at onlyonetress_. I will also link her information over there. And other than that, you know, like, is we cute? Do you guys like it? Is this different? I think it's really, really cute, and it's definitely extremely long. I still can't even show you. It comes all the way down to my thigh. I'll probably be cutting them because it's a little too bon qui for me, you know, it's a little too long for me. But other than that, I really enjoyed my experience there. She was really nice, and you know, she did what she had to do. So like I said, I'll leave her information below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Failure ain't an option. You looking clean, clean, clean. Failure ain't an option, an option. You looking clean.